My name is Tina Fernandez. I'm originally from Malaysia, but I've lived in the UK for the last 27 years. The program that I studied was the LL.M in Information Technology Law, and the reason why I picked that LL.M was because for the last 20 odd years I have been practicing as a tech lawyer in-house with corporates or tech companies, and currently I run my own tech law firm. With technology ever changing, what you need to do to be a good tech lawyer is to keep on learning. You need to be current, you need to be relevant. And I thought after 10 odd years being in practice that it was time to look at what a new LLM had to offer. I looked at Edinburgh, and what drew me to the LLM at Edinburgh University was the modules. What I liked about the course, but also what I found challenging, was that every module was different. The approach of the course convener was different. So, for instance, there was one module where the midterm assignment was a presentation. There was another where it was a blog. One, it was an essay. One, I made an animation video. So it challenged me in different ways, because as a lawyer you're thinking, I'm great at words, I'll write an essay and it'll be fine, and then you're going, okay, make a video, which I didn't find difficult because I like tech and I work with tech, so that was fine. I enjoyed the interaction, so I liked the discussion forums, and I think that was a really good way of bringing people from different walks of life, because not everybody was a lawyer, not everybody was tech. People were studying it for very different reasons, and they brought very different perspectives, and I found that very interesting. My dissertation was on whether the traditional concepts of liability are adaptable to a smart grid powered by artificial intelligence. What really pleased me as well was, apart from the winning the dissertation, what I took a lot of pleasure in was the comments I got back, from the dissertation, and I must say that really helps a lot. It helps a lot because I think that my critical thinking over the 3 years has improved tremendously, and a lot of that has to do with getting that feedback.